Hi, I'm Veronica. Welcome to the PDFelement YouTube channel. Our aim is to bring you useful tutorials and tips for boosting productivity. In today's video, we will go over 3 ways of creating bookmarks in PDFs, covering solutions for Windows, macOS, and iOS. But first, let's go over why creating bookmarks in PDFs can be useful. For example, if you're a writer or a researcher, you might be dealing with multiple PDFs at once, having to go back and forth trying to remember what was in each document. Using bookmarks will allow you to move between multiple PDFs with just a single click. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video for a bonus method explaining how to create bookmarks for multiple PDFs with just a single step. Now, the first step to creating bookmarks in PDFs, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, is to download PDFelement. First, head over to our official website, pdf.wondershare.com, and download PDFelement by clicking on the free download button and install the software. The website will automatically recognize the system you are using and provide the appropriate version. If you're not familiar with PDFelement, it's an all-in-one PDF solution that reliably allows you to create bookmarks in PDFs and much more. Using PDFelement, you can bookmark whole pages of PDF files or just specific parts, as I'll show you in this video. First, we're going to walk through how to create bookmarks in PDFs on Windows using PDFelement. Starting with how to bookmark a whole page. In this section, you will learn to create a bookmark without selecting any text in the PDF file. The first step is to launch PDFelement, so double-click on the icon on your home screen, and then open the file you want to add bookmarks to by pressing Open Files, and selecting the file from its folder location. To add bookmarks, click on the Bookmarks icon on the left panel. When you click on it, the panel will expand, and you can then press on Add to create a new bookmark. So I'm going to name this page 1, and this bookmark corresponds to the first page of the PDF. If we scroll down, we can create another bookmark for the second page. And I'm going to create one more bookmark for the third page. So now when I click on each bookmark, it will take me to the corresponding page. If you right-click on any of the bookmarks, you will have some additional options, so you can delete bookmarks from here, you can rename your bookmarks, you can add more bookmarks, you can add child bookmarks, which are essentially sub-bookmarks and can be layered, so you can, for example, order your bookmarks in the order of their importance. You can also set destination if you want to change the page that the bookmark corresponds to, and of course you can also print pages from here. After you are done creating your bookmarks, be sure to save your progress by going to File and selecting Save As. In the pop-up window, you can rename your file. So for example, we're going to name this Mountains Bookmarked, and then click Save. Now let's have a look at how to bookmark a specific piece of text in a PDF file. This way, instead of bookmarking a whole page, you can bookmark specific pieces of text such as headings, titles, and subheadings, for example. So using this very simple method, you are only able to create bookmarks for whole pages, but using PDFelement for Windows, you can actually bookmark specific areas of the PDF. The first step to creating a bookmark for a specific place in the document is to go into the Edit tab, and from here you can select the text that you want to bookmark. Once you have it selected, right-click on the bookmark that corresponds to that page and click on Add Child. You can then copy the text of the title and paste it into the bookmark. Once again, let's head over to the second page and create a bookmark for the subheading here. So I'm going to select the text, right-click it, select Copy, then right-click on the bookmark, and then Add Child, and then paste my text into here. So now when I click on the child bookmarks, you can see that they take me to that specific area instead of the top of the page. By the way, you can also use the Wondershare PDF Reader, which is a free PDF solution and a lightweight version of PDFelement for Windows. Using PDF Reader, you will also be able to create bookmarks in PDF files and much more. You can download PDF Reader from the official Wondershare website, which is linked in the description below. It's a completely free PDF solution, so why not give it a go? To create bookmarks in PDF Reader, launch it by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop, and then click Open Files to open your PDF. The layout of PDF Reader is very similar to that of PDFelement. So you will have the panel on the left where you will have the Bookmarks tab. You can click on it to expand it. And from here, you can click on this Add Bookmark button to create your bookmarks. So let's name this one Page 1. And then let's scroll down to Page 2 and create the second bookmark. When you right-click on the bookmarks, you will also have the same options as you do with PDFelement for deleting, renaming, adding bookmarks, adding child bookmarks, setting destinations, and printing. How to create bookmarks in PDFs using PDFelement for macOS. Launch PDFelement and open the PDF file that you want to bookmark. To bookmark a whole PDF page, click on the view icon and select the bookmarks and click on the Add Bookmark button at the bottom of the side panel. You will have the option now to rename the bookmark. Let's make another bookmark for the second page. If we click on the page 1 bookmark, the PDF will automatically jump to that page, and if you double click on the bookmark, you will be able to change the name. If you right click on the bookmark, you can add an entry, add a child bookmark, delete the bookmark, rename the bookmark, and demote the bookmark. After you are done, be sure to save your bookmarks by going to File and selecting Save As. In the pop-up window, you can rename the bookmark and then click Save. Let's have a look at some of the customization options. When you right-click on the bookmark, you have the option to create a name entry and child bookmarks. Using these features, you can layer your bookmarks, for example, in the order of their importance. These are essentially sub-bookmarks for your main bookmark. How to create bookmarks in PDFs using PDFelement for iOS. First, you will need to install PDFelement from the App Store and register an account. Launch the PDFelement app and open your PDF file. Slide up on the tool panel to expand it. This opens the Bookmarks panel. Press Add Bookmark. You can rename it. Let's scroll down on the document to add another bookmark. Once again, slide up to open the panel, press Add Bookmark, and rename your bookmark. I've gone ahead and created the bookmark for the third page as well, so I can demonstrate to you how. Now, when you press the bookmarks, you'll be taken to the corresponding pages in the document. To delete a bookmark, you can swipe it to the left and a delete button will appear, so press it to delete the bookmark. After you're done, be sure to save your bookmarks by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and select Save. Bonus tip: how to create bookmarks in multiple PDFs with just a single click. Bear in mind that this exciting method is only available in PDFelement for Windows. It's great for those of you who need to source data or information from different sources. Let me show you step by step on how to do this. To bookmark multiple PDFs at once, you will have to create a combined PDF. So on the home screen, click on Combine PDF and then click on the Add Files button. From here, select the PDF files that you want to bookmark. You can add multiple PDFs by clicking on the Add File button. When you're finished adding your files, choose an output folder for your combined PDF to be created in by clicking on the three dots and choosing a folder destination. And then click Apply to create the combined PDF. In the pop-up window, you can rename your PDF and then click Save. If you've previously bookmarked any of the PDF files before, you will actually notice that the bookmarks appear on the catalog page and they will be automatically added to the bookmark tab on the left. So these are the auto-generated bookmarks for every single PDF that was added to here. And when you click on the little arrow, it expands into the bookmarks that you've created before. To bookmark the other PDFs, you can right-click on the bookmark and then click on Add Bookmark. So for example here, I can bookmark page 1 and that creates another tab for this particular PDF. This helps to keep your bookmarks organized. And as you click through the bookmarks, you will be taken to the corresponding sections with a single click. I hope that this tip saves you a lot of time when working with multiple PDF files. Now finally, let's have a look at the difference between creating bookmarks and links within a PDF document. PDF bookmarks connect text like titles or headings and whole pages to a document and can connect multiple documents. Bookmarks appear in the Bookmarks panel as links to different parts of the document. Whereas with creating links, you can connect specific parts of your document like headings with web pages. These links won't appear in the Bookmarks panel, instead they can be found in the Links panel. When clicking on a link, you will be redirected to a web page. I hope that this gives you a clearer understanding of the difference between links and bookmarks. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and we will find a solution for them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to PDFelement channel so you never miss any of our future uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!